What's up guys, MC Vlog here. So for today's video, we are at my cousin's farm in Ronda. So you might have seen this place a while back, but yeah, we're gonna check out the place and see if this is a good area for camping. You see, summer is fast approaching and we need to find a place to relax, and this could be it. I think the weather here is perfect for camping. So come check it out and see this wonderful place. Just done filming the place, taking some drone shots, walking shots and everything. And as you can see, there are many rolling hills, perfect for getting away from the city. I hope you like this video. Give it a like and a follow. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.